With DEFED of LifeSmart, security can be smart. The DEFED alarm key is industry-leading security equipment fitted into your smart home system. The smart station used as an information center to connect to all other devices. As soon as an attacker opens the door, the sensor will detect it and send a signal to the smart station. Then the siren and the user will know. If you are home, you can apply disarm mode, so your motion will not trigger the alarm siren. DEFED Smart Station is the first 4G, 5G-enabled gateway with the same battery as Tesla, making the alarm system work for another 18 hours even without power or network. And the smart station supports the most protocols in the market and our self-developed COTS protocols, which is welcomed for its stable connections, ultra power saving, and strong wide coverage signal. At the same time, DEFED sensors support HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistants, so you can DIY to connect the sensors with your camera, light, shading, HVAC system, making your home suit you better. Choose DEFED, making your home a safe and smart home.